If Telegram keeps opening every time your computer starts, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to disable Telegram on startup in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to speed up your device, reduce distractions, and make sure Telegram only opens when you actually want it to. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Telegram on your computer. In the top left corner, click the menu icon. This will open the main menu with all of Telegram's settings options. From there, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look for Advanced and click on it. This section contains the more detailed app behavior options, including startup and system settings. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Launch Telegram when system starts. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn that off to disable Telegram from launching automatically when your computer boots up. Once the switch is disabled, Telegram will no longer start on its own in the background every time your device turns on. That means you can open it manually whenever you need it without it running at startup. And that's it, you've successfully disabled Telegram on startup. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.